Yes, hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use SUMIF formula in Microsoft Office Excel. As you can see, I'm having my table here and I'm going to be using SUMIF formula to calculate certain information for the given selection in my table. Let me first try to customize my table so that's going to be looking very well. So I have to apply borders to this table and I have to come here to my home page and come to this one, borders. Then I select all borders. As you can see, I'm having my table which is having the information. Let me try to fill out this one, maybe with electronics again. Then I'm gonna be adding like headphone. So yes, the headphones. Then I have to so I have headphones. Now let me add now iPads. So now I'm gonna be adding the series for it. Let me say it's 100, and also I'm gonna be having category item series. So now I'm gonna be applying this formula, which is SUMIF. As you can see, my formula is made of two parts. The one is sum and the second is if. So if you can be able to notice this one, you have SUMIF. SUMIF, we want to be adding we want to add, but we want to add a condition if. The condition if means that we have to select the given information or the given criteria from the cells or the data we are having, so that we can apply the sum to that selected data. So now let me come here below and we start our calculations by using this formula. You have to follow everything as we go step by step. It is very easy and you can be applying it for while navigating your data in Excel. Also, if you have much data in Excel, it is going to be helping you to do this. Let me maybe now try to merge this so that you can be using it. So as you know, when we are using the formula in Excel, you know, we used to start equal with equal. Now I'm gonna be typing equal SUMIF. So once I click SUMIF, you can see after selecting it, you can see I have to follow these prompts which are displaying here in my formula. So we need to select the range in which we will be selecting the criteria from. The range here is going to be this one. As you can see, this is going to be the category. The category is going to be working as the range. So I have to select this one as the one I will be selecting the criteria from. Let me select the range. I have to put my cursor here so that I will be selecting this one. And also I'm going to be having it as the range. Then I put comma. As you can see, it's the criteria we're going to be selecting. The criteria is going to be selected from the range we are having, which is gonna be from the categories. Let's see, we are having electronics, we have it maybe 3, 4, we have it 5 times in the range. So in the category, what you need to do, let's select electronics. As you can see, this means we are going to be adding the electronics amount from all the categories we are having. You see, we have electronics, clothing, furnitures, and also we only want to make the sum of electronics without deleting other things from the table. So I have to add comma as well. You can see after this we have to follow these prompts. This is sum range. It's where we want to be taking the numbers, or we want to be taking the amount from which we want to sum. This is gonna be numerical values or numerical series we want to select, so that we will be adding for the selected criteria. So after adding comma, we have to add bracket to open the brackets. After opening the brackets, we have to select where we want to be taking the data from, which is in numerical value. It's a sum range. Then we close it with the bracket as well, and also have to close our formula. As you can see, I am already closed my formula. What I need to do, I need to press enter. As you can see, if I go back and explain what is formula, this is the sum. So I take, now I have categories including various electronics type, and also I want if electronics type is here from here, I want to be also I selected as electronics. If electronics is in this sum in this range, also make sum from the data in the cells. That is what you mean in the formula. Now I have to click OK. After clicking OK, you can see I have 2000 and 2070, which means it's only for the sum for furniture, for electronics. So to prove this, now let me try, for instance, adding another thing. Let me try also deleting some information and show you how this one is working well. So let me try to merge this one so that can be visible. So this is a 2000. Now if we apply our formula, this is a 2070 as the SUMIF for only electronics. Now to prove this, let me try deleting everything which is not for electronics. So I'm going to delete this says for furniture and I remove it. So this data, you can see this is the data for furnitures. I have to remove them. So I clear, maybe I can clear the data, which is gonna simple. And also I remove for closings. This is gonna also simple, which means I remove them with their amounts. And also I remove now furniture closing again. This is gonna be simple as well. Then also I remove the for the electronics, so furnitures. You can see now I'm remaining with only electronics. Now let's try to make sum. Sum is easy when you have the data which are not mixed, because you don't have to apply if condition. If condition is going to be selecting the given information. So I have to add sum equals sum. This is sum. Now I have to be selecting all the data here. Then it's going to be giving the information from the set. You can see the information now, the total is equal, which means my formula is okay and it has worked very well. So this is how you can do it. So remember to subscribe to this channel TV. If you have any questions, then remember to leave it in the comment section. Also remember to share this with your friends, turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload new video here at Max TV.